guys, this is Lynn from Paper Peas. So I have a really funny disclaimer. Like so many other people, I don't care how many times I film videos, I am always trying to regulate the volume on my videos. And so sometimes I sound a little louder, sometimes I don't sound loud enough. And when I watch my own videos, I'm astounded at the fact that sometimes I just sound like I'm just yelling, and I'm not. But, I just had to throw that out there because I was like, wow, let me try to figure out the best volume control here. So all I ask is that you please continue to work with me. Today, my haul is a little different than an Ollie's or a Hobby Lobby or Michael's or anywhere. I actually purchased these items from a YouTuber who sold these items on eBay. Now, I don't know if her channel is still really active, probably the way that she wants it to be, but I know she was selling these items on eBay. And I stumbled once again. I just honestly stumbled across them. And in my opinion, they are amazing. And so I wanted to cover them really quick. All right, let me start off by saying, here's one of the packages. Here is another. Now, I am going to kind of go through this. One of the things that I am in love with is a lot of Prima Marketing items. As I've stated on multiple videos, I don't make flowers very well. I'm okay with that. I really am. I'm okay with that. Because if I can get this package open, oh, so good. These are gorgeous. These are really pretty. This is nice. Wow, these are cute. These are pretty. So I've got two packages that I can see thus far. I have two packages of these. I am really happy about these too. These are nice. These are just nice. Now, here's something I was really anxious about. Here is a tag pad. This is by Julie Nutting, Prima Marketing. There are 48 sheets, 3.5 by 8.5. There are 6 pattern papers, 8 sheets per design. I am like, this is, wow, this is like, so when you look at this tag pad, you've got one side. This is really nice. And believe it or not, I was upstairs earlier with my Cricut and my scissors, working on several tags that are larger than the normal 2x4. I am very happy to receive this, and I promise you I will be online looking for more. Really nice. Here is a 6x6 paper pad, stationer's desk. This is nice. I can't tell what year this is right now. But 2014. 2014. Wow. Wow, this is really nice. So although I do several other things, I am at heart a vintage girl. Wow, this is so pretty. These are some things that I just cannot find in the store. I am just, wow. Here it is in Authentic Hue. Wow, I'm very, oh, these are double-sided. Very happy to have been able to secure these. So nice. And if you guys have watched me for a little minute, you know I love this and damask. You know I love this. Wow. Here is a vintage Emporium paper pad. This is so lovely. And it's embossed too. This is nice. Nice and nice and nice. I can see how a person would probably not want to use these. And in my mind, even though I have secured these pieces from her, my mind is on the hunt mentally for where else could I find more pieces so I'm not afraid to use these. These came from the DIY shop. At some point in time, these came from Hobby Lobby. Wow. So nice. Here is a Prima Marketing, My Prima Place. This was from 2012. Wow. Wow, this is just lovely. Oh my gosh, this is so lovely. I am in awe. I love being able to secure vintage items from my fellow crafters. Now, I'll be honest with you. One of my favorite people to watch is cardmaking. I know I do some DeStashes sometimes, but mainly what I've been doing is DeStashes of some of the items that I purposefully picked up in plethora from Ollie's, so some of our other crafters can be able to partake in them. I cannot. I will give her. I said it to her. I cannot do DeStashes in plethora. I do have a website for the things that I am able to sell. This is gorgeous. This is just gorgeous. But whenever I have an opportunity to patronize one of my fellow crafters, whether they are DeStashing or however you guys want to do it, I love being able to do something. So because I know we typically get some of the best crafting items because our eyes are different. Our creativity is different. This is gorgeous. This is nice. Our creativity is just different. Not saying that anything is wrong with other people's, but our creativity is different. And we are going to search certain things. Look, did y'all see this? 12 by 12 embossed chipboard. Do you see the... I can see why someone would not use this. I really can, because I'm afraid right now. I am afraid. Now, what I do see is I have 2 of these, thank goodness. So these are swanky frames. Yes, I have 2 of these in this package. Thank goodness. And here's something else too. She was wonderful in securing these in these bags a lot of times that I use. Wow. So here's a brand new chipboard pack. I had to take a few minutes to kind of put some things together because it, naturally, based upon its age, some of the pieces became a little separated, but this is gorgeous. I am able to use this in multiple spots. It looks to me as if this was purchased from maybe Tuesday morning several years ago, and I'm okay with it. I'm perfectly fine with this. I just love this. I like this a lot. I'm going to move these things out of the way so I can get to the rest of this wonderful stuff. Now, when I'm looking on eBay, because I have an eBay account as well, what drew me to the overall purchase of this pack was this pad. Now, I had not seen the contents of it, and I'm little in my mind. I hate that oh my gosh. I hate that there wasn't another pad that I could purchase from this particular group. This is a 2019 Prima Marketing pad. Let me just say this now. As soon as I finish filming this, I'm going to go and spend some time with myself because I need to find another one of these. This is a stunning pad. Look at this thing. There are 4, oh my gosh, there are 4 pages of each. Oh, goodness. My heart cannot contain the joy that I am feeling right now. This is a beautiful pad. It is double-sided. I want to cut in this so bad. But before I do, I want to find myself another pad. I'm going to turn over. Oh my gosh. Look at these colors. Trust me when I say as soon as I finish filming this, I'm going to sit down and find this because once I start cutting into it, I'm going to want to make multiple things. This is gorgeous. These are gorgeous. These are, in my opinion, look at this. Collector's items. I can understand why she had these. Here are a few other items. I don't use a lot of gems, but I will. I will now. Wow. Nice. These are some Prima flowers. I've said it over and over again. I'm not the biggest flower maker. What I intend to do this weekend, make several flowers based upon watching Miss Etta J's video. I'm going to do it. Cute. This is just cute. Recollections. Cute. I've got several of these. We all have several of these. Nice. This is so nice. Pebbles, okay. Cute. Love it. Nice. I'm not disappointed in anything that I've received. Gorgeous. This is another item that drew me into this pack. Very nice. I have a junk journal in my mind right now that I'm going to use this on. I really do. Cute. Cute. I love supporting, oh wow, I love supporting, oh look at this. Love supporting my fellow YouTubers. I know we all are out here trying to make sure that our crafting community knows, oh, this is so adorable. Look at this. We'll be using this weekend. Nice. I honestly love every single thing that I received. It's vintage. Yes, speaks to me. No, she did not. I don't know if these were ever used. I have no idea. I don't think these were. But these stamps, oh my gosh, look at these. I'm so excited. Wow. Look at these. Love these, love these, love these. Martha Stewart, look at these. These are nice. I was in Dollar Tree earlier today and I saw some of these and I picked up a pack of these. Happy to have them. These rub-on transfers are every single thing, if you don't know. These I purchased these the other day and was looking for another pack. I'm happy I got these. Oh, I love these. I am often amazed at what we find when we purchase from other. I don't know if this was ever used. I do not know, but you all know I love stenciling. I don't think this was ever opened. I'm happy. Oh, I'm happy. Here's one that I'm really ecstatic about. Well, what is this? Okay, we've got Michael's paper flowers, Jolie's. Okay, I can see she probably used 2 of these. I'm okay with that. There's no, okay, let me show you this. I thought this was a note. It is not. Look at this. Gorgeous. Now, who is this? Carol's Rose Garden. I'll be online looking for these. Here's another group. Look. This is just gorgeous. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Fun. Reminds me of me. Fun. Just fun. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. As always, I appreciate you for coming to spend a little time with me. I tried to make this as quick as possible, but there were just so many items, I couldn't cover them in less than 10 minutes. As always, have a wonderful weekend. Please, most importantly, be safe, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.